ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome everybody to the division rollout of Higher Order Thinking Skills Professional Learning Packages for grade 7 to 10 teachers in science, mathematics, and English. So let's give a round of applause to each and every one of us. And of course, to the committee who have been working so hard just to make this event possible and successful. At syempre, para mabigyan po tayong lahat ng opportunity to learn more and be more for our students. So at this point in time, we would like to call in our CIU Chief, our Curriculum Implementation Division Chief, to give us the opening remarks. Let's call in our very supportive Sir Pedro J. Dendal Jr.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jonah, from Aborlan. So close to Vice Superintendent Dr. LCT Marius, and to our ASDS, Sir Rafi Manalo, and OIC ASDS, Sir Rodel Magnayo. To the school heads who are present in this hall, our mathematicians, our scientists, and our language specialists this afternoon. Be matatag!
Stay matatag!
Stay matatag! 95% have already finished attending the Matatag training. Thank you so much for your desire for this morning or this afternoon. Pumalakpak na ang mga taga-science group. How about mathematics? English group. Ayan. So our school heads here in this hall, thank you so much for bringing your teachers here in this training, the HATS training. I do hope that since our opening classes soon to be this coming July 29, and I think most of our teachers are already, not only for the Matatag curriculum, but ready to face our learners, diverse learners. For mathematics, they are saying that they are ready because they have already their side of them are the AI. Is that really? May AI na ba kayo sa inyong school? And the teachers and that AI helps not only in mathematics but also in science and English. But the question is, pwede bang palitan ang teachers personally na artificial intelligence? The questions behind and the answers is up to you. My dear teachers, in the news that Philippines is always third or fourth to the PISA exam, and all of the teachers, if they are not bothered, chill lang yan. Kahit panghuli ang Pilipinas. But we still have our work, still have in the school, receiving our salary. Tama? Kahit panghuli ang Pilipinas, ang teachers ay tumatanggap pa rin ng sweldo. Di ba po? But ang appeal o ang apila ng ating Department of Education, mas maganda kung tumaas din ang ating kinalalagyan. Hindi palaging doon sa pang-apat o pangatlo. I believe lahat kayo ay ang pinakamagagaling sa inyong mga paaralang pinadala rito sa training na ito. And this is the answer. The HATS is the answer for why we are on the bottom of the examination. That's why your presence is very much welcome, and your expertise is very much safe. Thank you for your expertise. Sana this coming 2025 examination of PISA, hindi na pangatlo o pang-apat ang Pilipinas. Sana umangat man lang tayo. Alam kong bakit may training na ganito. We are having our preparedness of our teachers to face the diversity of learners inside the classrooms. matatag curriculum. The first shape of matatag curriculum, unang pinaniwalag sa inyo, paano natin akwet ang matatag curriculum. What is ma, what is ta, and G. Alam kong alam nyo na lahat yan. And the question, are the teachers are ready to face our diverse learners? Ang tanong, ready na ba ang mga guro sa pagbalik sa ating mga kanya-kanyang paaralan? And I am ensuring that all teachers are all ready. If you are ready for your instructional materials inside the classroom, if your classroom is ready, and what to be ready in ourselves. My last two tips is, as teachers, we should also ready with our health. Bago tayo pumasok sa paaralan this coming 29, please visit our medical doctor. Baka meron kayong, baka sabihin nyo, ito na ang matatag. No? Matatag daw. Hindi natapos ang buwan. Natumba na si matatag. Dahil meron siyang parang tinatagong sakit sa kanyang katawan. At hindi natin, ayaw kong marinig ang mga teachers na gano'n na lang ang nangyayari dahil sa pagtuturo. We teach, we enjoy, we learn, and we enjoy. That's why today, we enjoy while learning. At pang-last na tips, since you are ready to enter our classrooms, see to it that our personal appearance physically should be also ready. Why ready? Bakit sinabi ko? Before leaving Puerto Princesa City, please visit our Bong Villanueva Salon. And when you enter your classroom, nandiyan ang dating salon. Ayan, di ba? Para may iba naman ang mukha ng isang guro, matatag na guro. Di ba? Tama? Di ba maubos ang 1,500? Nagpaliba naman ako. At pagpasok sa klase, sabi namin yung mga learners, wow, matatag talaga si Mamo. At yung buhok niya, unat-unat talaga. Di ba? That's why, that's a kids. But, that's not true. Yes. Kapag wala ng lipstick ang teacher, ang estudyante natin ay hindi na makikinig. Dahil ang titignan nila ngayon ay ang AI. Di ba? Have you noticed that our learners in kinder and grade 1 are speaking now in English? Tama? Why? Dahil napapanood nila ang Nick Junior. Di ba? Pero pagdating sa high school, where are they? Hindi na marunong, di ba? Na-develop ang speaking, comprehension naman ang hindi na-develop. And that's now our obligation. And that's now our role as teacher. My dear teachers, welcome to Puerto Princesa, East Coast Division of Palawan. In the name of our Superintendent, Dr. Elsie Tibares, si Ma'am napapansin niyo, dinadala niya ang division office closer to school. Kaya palagi siya sa school. Dahil gusto niya makita ang kalagayan ng mga teachers. Before leaving this hotel, Asturias Hotel, sana magkaroon kayo ng time. Merong swimming pool dyan, hindi naman kayo maligo, no? If you are not tired, kaya sinasabi ko, enjoy while learning. Kapag ikay nag-enjoy sa pagtuturo, you will not feel tired. So, my last is, always wear your smile, wear your uniform, please look to your seatmate and say, hello, kumusta ka? Ayan. Pangalawa, kumusta ka? Meron ka bang nararamdaman ngayon? Nakakaiba sa dati? Ayan, sige. Meron daw. Excited sila. Okay? So my dear teachers, my dear school heads, thank you so much, and please take care of yourself. As we care for you, we support all teachers. And that is Matatag Curriculum. So all of us present here, thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin. Besides this program, our HRTD, Ma'am Mylene Dilig. Palakpakan po natin ulit. And of course, kasama niya din ang ating pong specialist, Sir Roy Avalia. Palakpakan din po natin. Our Education Program Supervisor in Science, Dr. Sarin Gadiano. Yeah. With our APS in Mathematics, Ma'am Astrid Agbando. And for English, Dr. Luan Pilapil. Palakpakan po natin. For now, I would like to say to you, to present to you our coordinator in English. We have Ma'am Elda Miraflores. Ma'am Elda, tayo na po yan. Ayan. For Northern Palawan. And also our science coordinator, Sir Majuin, a principal. Ayan. So to all education program supervisor that are present today, we have also the SGOD group. Nandun po ating ITO, Sir Kevin Marquez. Ayan, palapakan po natin Sir Kevin. Marami na siyang program. And the TWG, napakahalaga rin talaga ang TWG. No? Nasa panahon na yun. Sa inyo po lahat, welcome. Pilates. Do not leave this room without asking question to clarify your query. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. May God bless us all.